Kwa kani jokanyo mag Elimu Bora working group dwaro mondo doho chung chenro mar yiero sikunde ne jopuonjre madonjo klas 9 higa manyien. Gidwaro mondo chochni manoneno e duoko mar penj mar KCPE okuongo los mondi. Gimedo ni ratich jopuonjre go bende ninjurochi. Giseyo nek e wi ng'ikruok go kendo koro gidwaro ni gikwa ng'uono kuom jokenya.
Tumeenda kotini tayari under certificate of urgency, na hayo mambo tutakuwa tunapeleka kotini ili tuweze kupewa order ya kusimamisha hayo maneno. Na pia tunasema we want a restoration. Tunataka kuwe na hakikisho kwamba mitihani ambayo yamefanywa, mitihani ya KCSE, mitihani ya KIPSEA, mitihani yote yako sawa.
There has been a breach of integrity of the 2023 KCPE results. 2, that there appears to be a clear violation of the rights of the pupils whose results have been tampered with, and a continuation of processing of the same without an independent validation process may further aggravate the situation.
Malpractices occurred. These malpractices cannot be continued. We need, as a country, to bring it to a halt. We have time because, thank God, the results were released in November. We have December and the early part of January. All this can be done.
Aya, wadi yumoro machuok podu kata podu